Good morning, students. Natural language processing. Today's is lesson about applications of NLP. Applications of applications of NLP. This is the topic name. In this, we can see that first topic, first point, machine translation. What do you mean by machine translation? What do you mean by machine translation? So our first point, machine translation. In this machine translation, it is a subfield of NLP. It is a subfield of NLP. Involves the use of software and algorithms to automatically translate text or speech from one language to another. Machine translation converts one language to another language. One language, one language to another language. It uses a combination of rule-based, statistical, and neural machine learning approaches to generate translation. It is a combination of rule-based it is a combination of rule-based statistical and neural statistical 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 and neural approaches. It is a combination of statistical rule-based and neural approaches to generate translation. Machine translation tools include Google Translate, Microsoft Translator. Machine translation tools include Google Translator, Microsoft Translator. It is used in language learning, content localization, multilingual customer support, international business collaboration. It is used in language learning, international business collaboration, content localization. It is useful in automotive manuals, government policy documents, stock market news. Stock market news. It is used in stock market news. It is used in stock market news. Customer support machine translation approaches. Direct based translation, uh, machine translation approaches. Types of machine translation. Types of machine translation or machine translation approaches. In this, first is rule-based technique. First is rule-based technique. Rule-based techniques. Rule-based techniques. Rule-based machine translation systems were the first commercial machine translation systems are based on linguistic rules. It is based on linguistic rules. It is based on linguistic rules that allow the words to be put in different places and to have different meanings depending on the context. Rule-based machine translation system parse the source text. It parse the it parse the source text. It parse the source text and produce an intermediate representation, which may be parse-free or some abstract representation. The target language text is generated from the intermediate representation. Transfer-based machine translation. Analysis, next transfer, synthesis. These are rule-based techniques. Transfer-based machine translation system has three components. Transfer-based machine translation system has three components. Analysis to produce source language structure. To transfer the source language representation to target level representation. To transfer the source language structure, transfer the language structure, source language structure, source language structure into a target level representation, into a target level structure, into a target level representation of structure. The first stage analyzes the source text and produces a structure conferring the rules of source languages. The second stage transfers source language representation to target language representation. The third stage generating the actual target language text. Actual. Rule-based techniques in NLP refer to the approach of creating sets of rules to perform it creating sets of rules to perform tasks tasks such as such as text processing, information extraction, and NLP. These rules are typically hand-coded. These rules are typically hand-coded. By human experts. It includes regular expressions, string matching, and decision trees. Thank you.